with the things she don't hear. Now the perfume is cheap and the makeup is careless. The dress out of fashion for a woman her age, but you don't give a damn for those who would cherish a much lighter step for a much younger